Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to add table on Canva. To add table, click on Elements and type in Table. Under Tables, select the table type you want to add on your template. If you move your cursor here, a three-dot icon will appear. Clicking this will direct us to the Settings menu, where we can copy, paste, duplicate, or merge cells, add and delete row or column, modify the size of the table, and other settings like changing the color of the lines and feel of the table. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified for our new upcoming videos. See you next time!